Hello there, how's going on, lads? It's been some time. For a couple of weeks I couldn't create a video. I was quite busy with my projects. All right, so today I would like to show you how to create a alert controller from the AppDelegate. You maybe already worked on this alert controller, and it may have worked. Some cases may be not working because of some errors, like attempt to present an alert for while confirming dialog is already being presented, or else it's something like attempt to present your controller on view control which is already presenting. So in such cases, how to resolve this error and bring about a good solution is, if you try to show an alert from the app delegate by using some root view controllers, it definitely gonna work. That's what I'm going to show in this video. So let me create a project for that. Sample. So create your own project. It's going to be iOS app, and just name it as alert controller demo, and just have saved interface storyboard and not include test. Click next. I'm going to create in my iOS projects folder. Just create it. It's quite easy and simple. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a IB outlet for a button with IB outlet. So I'm going to my main.storyboard and just create a button quickly, UI button. Alright, just drag it over here, the middle, and just going to name it as alert trigger. Show alert, let it be like this. Alright, so background, foreground to be white, simple. It's a simple button. And let me create some IB outlets. Alright, so let me create outlet for this after the constraints. I did the constraints, sorry for that. Okay, so just drag it over here and name it as show. Let's cancel. We can create an action instead. Sorry for that. So show alert tapped. Easy. Alright, so after this I'm going to my view controller, and let me go to the app delegate and write a function over here which is simple, like let's say show alert from app delegate, whatever you can name it as, whatever function what you like. Okay, so the message, it's a kind of string which I need to show in the alert. So it's a string, and inside this I'm going to write var top window, which is of UI window, and it will be like UI window with a frame, and it's of UI screen dot main dot bounce. I need to present the sender, that's what it's like this. And then going to show that top window dot root view controller is equal to UI window dot I need to show you here is a UI view controller, sorry for that. Alright, then I'm going to write top window dot window level, which is of level of alert, which is mean like UI window dot level dot alert plus 1. Then I'm going to write let alert. This is about the action and also the parameters which are in there. So it's like a UI alert controller, and it's like UI alert controller with the title and the message. So in the title I would like to show like an error. So if you want to custom this, you can also custom there as well by passing the parameter. and the message, I need to show the message which I'm bringing from the function. All right, and then preferred style, it's about dot alert. It's about alert, and then next is alert dot add action, which is for the action after the thing. So I need action to present here, which means that I need to go to the particular vController itself. I need to stay within there. So to do that, so it is like UI alert action dot init, and if it is an okay, so the action going to be okay, and the default style I was just going to be default by itself, and I need a handler to do that as well. So it's going to be a handler. So inside that handler, what I'm going to do is come over here, and let's say it's an alert action. In, and then it's going to do what is top window dot is hidden. I'm going to set it as true. I want to hide this when the user click on the OK button. That's what it means. So it's going to be nil as well, so that it should disappear from all the thing. And then I'm going to write another few steps, which is very important, because that makes the game changer. So it's about it's checking the whether the iOS platform 13 or above, because this will work only in the 13 above, and other case there is another exception as well for that. So I will show you that how it is. So if it is iOS 13 plus, what I need to do is let my scene delegate equal to UI application dot shared dot connected scenes dot first it's going to be a delegate, and I'm going to present it as a scene delegate, right? And let me go to the top over here and declare one variable, which is like var window UI window. All right, and then I'm coming over here, then I'm going to write here as my scene delegate dot window. I'm force wrapping there because that's gonna work for sure. Root view controller dot present, and here what I'm going to present is the alert, and animated that let it be say true, and the completion let's say nil. It's not mandatory like that. Okay, so this is for the case of 13 above iOS version, and the old version which gonna work for some devices which is below 13 is it's like a make key visible, and also top window dot this is about the root view controller dot present, and this is like what I'm presenting is alert, and then it's going to be true, and completion nil. All right, so this is a very important point. The reason why I added this is if you use alert view controller from the AppDelegate, and also if the device is 13 above, we need to declare the scene delegate, which is for the first as shared of connected device, as the first delegate. And then it's about the scene delegate, which I am forcing it to add as a window to present it inside our view controller. It is a normal procedure. Okay, so in the previously this is gonna work make key visible. If you try this instead of 13 means it may not work be due to some reason, like it's like a problem with the first responder when using a custom UI window. All right, this problem can exist. This is mainly because of this make key invisible. You need to comment that and do something additional step. That's what I did over here. So it is easy and simple. So whenever you have a normal view controller with the app delegate, I'm just whatever alert you want to show, you just show it presented, you can show it very directly from the app delegate. It's gonna force wrap, and in the current devices I hope it will work. Okay, the final step is I'm going to over here in the main view controller and let declare the app delegate, and this is going to be app delegate, and you can call this in any view controller in that particular project. For example, this is a global function, so this is alert used global. All right, and then next is a single line of code like app delegate dot show message. So I'm going to write it as show alert from app delegate. All right, so let me run and check how it works, like, so if you're not using like this, if you're something, if you already presenting a view controller, so if in case in the such cases you can either choose dispatch queue or from the main asynchronous and try that. If it doesn't work means then I suggest you to try this code line of code from the app delegate, which gonna force do something else over here from the root, and also from the root view controller to present it in the connected scenes. Then when it comes in the view controller, we will try to present the alert. All right, pretty cool. It's very easy and simple. All right then. So this is about whenever you cause trouble in the show alert not presenting, or else in the presenting such errors ever caused in your alert view controller. Also with the first responder, such kind of things, your window not showing over the content, such things, you, if whatever reason, so you try to do this, write a function over here like this and try to call anywhere in the project, so you're gonna work. I hope so. So that's all on this video. I hope this video gonna help someone else. If I did something wrong, just comment it over my video below the channel. All right then, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.